back to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up to this video. Give us that like as we continue, because the energy is on another level. And so what you're doing today is styling this particular bandana like a pirate. How to fold a bandana into a pirate style. Actually, that also counts, right? So we're going to be folding this bandana like a pirate, Are you ready for this? Are you ready? I was born ready. What about you? Anyways, let's do this. Let's make the magic happen. And as we style this bandana into the pirate style, I want to do this because we have different styles. Yes, we have different styles in which you can do that, but today we're going to focus on a simple and quick one. And on that note, like this video because I know you're going to enjoy it, and also make sure that you subscribe so that you can check out the other style once we upload it, or maybe you've already uploaded. Just subscribe so that you don't miss out on that notification. It is free actually. So what do you need? You need a bandana, obviously, like this one. This one is my patterned bandana. I don't know if yours looks like this. Red looks more dangerous, more pirate like red, yellowish, mostly red. But in this case, I'll just be using mine. It doesn't matter the color that you have, because maybe you do not have this color too. The other thing you need is your head and your hair laid to the back as you wish. So this one will be acting like my hair or something of the sort, but because there's something very important that I want you to note while doing this style, that's why I placed this on my head. It's not necessary, note that it's not a must to have such a piece of cloth on your head, okay? And so the other thing you need is a flat surface, like here, like here, like here, like here, okay? A flat surface like here, or you can place it on the bed if you've made the bed, on a table, on a dressing table, anywhere that you feel like it will serve you best. Just make it flat for this particular one. And as I told you, we have hey, my energy is on another level. I'm like anyway, let's continue. A little continue because I'm excited. So with your bandana like this, I hope it looks exactly like mine, the shape and everything. What you do is you tilt it to form something like a diamond, or is it a star? If it's like this, you tilt it. If it's like this, it doesn't matter on which side, either side, but just pay attention to the opposite sides of each, so that you don't do this in the opposite direction. So my opposite side is the one that is facing you. So in the same case, if I was placing it on a flat surface, the opposite side would be you're seeing this, yeah, the opposite side would be facing up, okay, and then the other side it's lying down. And so on that point I would tilt it, and then after tilting it, I fold it. I take one edge and then fold it towards the center, completely towards, not complete, but almost to the very end, to this edge. Well, for those who are not using flat surfaces, are using the air like me, let me show you. So it's like this, you tilt it, you form a diamond like thing, and then from the top we go all the way down, but not to the very end. From the top we go up to somewhere here, and you can actually try and measure with this. If that is if your bandana looks exactly like mine, you pull it up to there, like that. Amazing, right? Like that. So that is the thing that we have. And most of the times I tell you, like, it will be determined by the size of your hair, by the size of your head and everything else. Actually, that is to tell you should check out my other uploads after this one. So like this. So I told we have different styles of a pirate, different styles of styling a bandana like a pirate, and today's style is quite different. So pick it like this, and then after folding it, I hope you're together up to that point. So do another, fold it once, downwards. This is the purpose of having a flat surface. You always do it perfectly. You see, like mine is disturbing, but I will have to do this like that, and then fold it once more, twice. I hope you've seen that. Let me show you. Remember, we're folding it two times, and then that is, we have the thick style and the thin style. Today we're focusing on the thin style. This is the thin style. Are we together up to that? Bandana hairstyles. And now it's about time we made the magic happen. So we did like this. This is how it looks. This side looks like this for me, and this other side looks like this. You see these edges, they're still not of the same length. So the next thing, you'll have to have your forehead or your head. You can place it from this side, from this other side, either way. Okay, so okay, it is like this. I had forgotten I was giving instructions and gone direct right into it. So with these sides that are protruding here, with our edges that are right here, we have to now, you can hold it like this to make it easier for you to place it on your head. And if you're the person who doesn't worry about holding it, you can just hold it like this, place it like on these fingers, like here, right here. They'll lie there. Okay, here and here, like that. The other side the same, and then place it on your forehead. Okay, now that's one seems like bigger, like this. You see? But mine feels, I feel like because you're focusing on the thin style, I should make it a little bit thin. And by making it a little bit thin, it's making my foldings thin from the start, like that. It's the same thing that we've been doing. I'm repeating. That's why I'm always telling you about the importance of a flat surface. So I think it's thin enough now. Yeah, now something like that. I love it. My mirror is right there, that's why I'm peeping. So the next thing is now this one. If this should act like your hair, it should act like your hair. So we have brought the two sides like this. With this as your hair, do not place the bandana on top. Just pick your hair and let it. And now you tie your knot from underneath the hair. You always do two knots to make sure that it is tight enough. Well, your ears right there. Remember, this is your hair. You don't have to have the piece of clothing that I have. And so guys, please like this video as we continue, because I'm about to show you something else. So you see these ones, these edges that we wanted to protrude, I don't know why they're misbehaving. We didn't want them to be of the same size so that they can from here. Or rather, instead of placing it below the head, let's see, if you want it to be like, to lie like really on top, you can place it on top here. You can still remove your hair or just leave it right there. Big man bazoo, big man bazoo. So it is like that. It's that easy. But make sure these ones, yours it's at the center now, like the mine is behaving right now. So like that, and you're ready to go. If you have done it with a red bandana, most of the time it will look super cool black. Those pirate like bandanas, okay? But also in this case it's cool. You can also try and pull it up and see how it looks. Wow, now up there it looks even much better. Remember, this red headpiece of mine is representing your hair, or you can also tie something like this. It doesn't matter. If you feel like it looks good on you, you can actually also do it. So it's easy like that. Just do it and enjoy yourself when you're doing it. And make sure that you check out my other oh. See you on my next update. Please make sure that you like this video, share it, tell a friend, tell a friend. Always appreciate that. Check out my description for support and subscribe.